Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Monica 2.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us again in our AI Basics, the Fundamentals series. In our last episode, we introduced you to the AI limitations and constraints. Today, we'll be looking at some of the most important ethical challenges AI presents. As we continue to develop and integrate AI into more aspects of our lives, it's essential to consider the moral dilemmas that come with it. In this episode, we'll touch on some of the key issues that need to be addressed as AI technology advances, while leaving room for more detailed discussions in future episodes. At newbits.ai, we also encourage our community to engage in these conversations. Your insights and discussions are vital to fostering a better AI landscape for everyone. Let's get started. AI's rapid growth presents a number of ethical challenges that society needs to navigate carefully. Let's briefly look at some of the most pressing concerns. One of the first challenges that often comes up in discussions about AI is bias. Because AI systems are trained on historical data, they can inherit and even amplify biases present in that data. For example, bias can appear in hiring algorithms, facial recognition software, and credit scoring systems, leading to unfair treatment of certain groups. While we won't dive too deep into bias today, we'll explore this topic in much greater detail in our next episode, Unpacking AI Bias. We encourage our community members at newbits.ai to share their perspectives on how we can collectively work to reduce bias in AI and contribute to a more fair and inclusive AI landscape. Another key issue is privacy. AI often relies on vast amounts of data, which can include sensitive personal information. As AI systems become more powerful, concerns about how this data is collected, used, and shared become more pronounced. Whether it's AI-powered surveillance or data mining, protecting privacy is a critical challenge in AI development. We'll cover the implications of privacy in AI and the regulations surrounding it in an upcoming episode. Our community at newbits.ai plays an essential role in discussing how privacy should be handled in AI. We invite you to join these critical conversations as we explore ways to protect individual privacy while advancing AI. As AI systems are increasingly deployed in areas like healthcare, finance, and law enforcement, the question of accountability becomes crucial. If an AI system makes a mistake, whether it's a misdiagnosis, a flawed financial decision, or a wrongful arrest, who is responsible? This issue raises important ethical concerns around transparency and explainability in AI. How can we ensure that AI systems are accountable for their actions, and how do we explain the decisions they make? For example, if an AI system denies someone a loan, both the applicant and the bank need to understand why that decision was made. These questions of accountability and transparency are fundamental to building trust in AI systems, and they are challenges the industry is actively working to address. A broader societal concern is job displacement. As AI systems automate tasks previously performed by humans, many jobs may be at risk. While AI can create new job opportunities, such as in AI development and data science, there is still a need to address the disruption it may cause in other sectors. Industries like manufacturing, logistics, and customer service are already seeing automation replace human roles. Balancing the benefits of AI-driven efficiency with its impact on employment is an ongoing challenge. Our newbits.ai community provides a platform for exploring these questions and discussing how we can manage job displacement while ensuring AI benefits society as a whole. As we've seen, there are a range of ethical challenges that arise with the development and deployment of AI. Addressing these challenges requires careful thought, ongoing discussion, and the establishment of clear principles that guide how AI should be developed and used. At newbits.ai, we actively encourage our community to weigh in on these topics in our AI Hub, the home to our social media platforms from Reddit, Facebook, X, also known as Twitter, to LinkedIn, Quora, Medium, and Discord. Your perspectives are invaluable in shaping a responsible and ethical AI future. In the next few episodes, we'll be diving deeper into some of these ethical concerns, starting with AI bias and then moving into privacy and responsible AI practices. We'll explore how these principles can be implemented in real-world AI systems and what steps are being taken to ensure AI benefits society as a whole. At newbits.ai, we are committed to these discussions and to promoting AI solutions that reflect the best ethical practices. In our next episode, we'll be unpacking AI bias, recognizing and mitigating prejudice, where we'll explore this topic in more depth and discuss strategies to reduce bias in AI systems. Thank you for joining me for this episode of AI Basics, the fundamentals. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.